Erythroblastosis foetalis. Erythroblastosis foetalis. Already you know about Rh antigen. Rh antigen, that means Rh antigen, that is additionally another one of the antigen along with antigen A, antigen B. Rh antigen present on the plasma membrane of RBC. These are the individuals are called Rh positive. If you observe plasma membrane of RBC without the Rh antigen, these are the persons are called Rh negative. Okay. If you observe in the blood group of the different individuals, some of the individuals shows the Rh antigen, some of without the Rh antigen. Okay, so these are the blood groups by this called A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative, like that. Student, erythroblastosis foetalis, also called hemolytic disease of newborn. Okay, and the student, if you observe O negative, these are the individuals called universal donors because of absence of all type of the antigens. In these individuals, Rh antigen is also absent. O negative. These individuals donate the blood to all type of the blood group persons called so-called universal donors. AB positive, all type of the antigens present in these individuals, antigen A, antigen B, Rh antigen also. By this, these are the individuals receive all type of the blood groups from others, so called universal recipient. It is also called hemolytic disease of newborn, hemolytic disease of fetus or newborn baby. Alloimmune condition, students, it is alloimmune condition. Alloimmune condition, that means immunity is produced in the body of individuals after the entry of non-self antigens. Non-self means that not related to the body parts. These are the antigens enters into the body from others, from outer surrounding. Okay, that causes the production of the antibodies in the body. Entry of the antigens causes the production of the antibodies in the body. It is called alloimmune condition. It is also develops in Rh positive fetus. Developed fetus within the uterus, that the mother conceives pregnancy. In the uterus, within the fetus, that is the fetus is with Rh positive. Father Rh positive, student. If the father Rh positive, mother Rh negative. Okay. In this marriage, that goes to the chance of the genetical incompatibility between the mother with Rh negative, developed fetus with Rh positive. Okay, it is very important, student. Growing fetus is with Rh positive and mother is Rh negative. Okay, fetal blood cells pass through placenta. Fetal blood cells, placenta is the barrier between the pregnancy mother and developed fetus. Fetal blood cells pass through the placenta into the, and these are contact with the, are entered into the blood circulation of the mother. Fetal blood cells, red blood cells entered into the mother circulation, maternal circulation through the placenta barrier at the time of the birth into Rh negative mother blood. Okay, student. At the time of the birth only these are the fetal blood cells enters into the maternal circulation. Next, mother is recognized Rh antigen gets sensitized. Students, at the time when these are the blood cells enters into the maternal part, mother part, that is the RBC is with Rh antigen. Okay, already about that, Rh positive fetus. Fetal blood cells with Rh antigen, that is the new antigen enters into the maternal circulation and immune system is identified and sensitized. Mother immune system is sensitized, identified and produces antibodies, produce Rh antibodies against the Rh antigen. These are based on the structure IgG type and these are smaller in all type of the antibodies. IgG type Rh antibodies entered into the fetal circulation through the placenta. By the placenta, these are the antibodies are enters into the fetus body, fetus circulation. First child is unaffected because fetus is delivered by time producing anti-D antibodies. Okay, before the production of the anti-D antibodies, before the production of the Rh antibodies, child, fetus complete its gestation period, pregnancy period and delivers and goes to the paturation. Okay, within the, by the time of the production of the anti-D antibodies reaches into the fetal circulation, gestation period is completed and paturation is also completed. 9 months gestation period, pregnancy period is completed. Okay, and child delivers safely without the erythroblastosis foetalis, but maternal circulation, mother's body is with Rh antibodies. Student, if you observe. Next, during second pregnancy, second child is also with the Rh positive. Student, second child is with Rh positive, Rh antigen. Antibodies cross, antibodies are produced immediately and reaches the placenta and entered into the fetal blood, fetal circulation. Okay, student, and fetal blood cells are destroyed. Antibodies attacks the Rh antigen or red blood cells of the fetus. All the fetal blood cells are goes to the destruction. Okay, and causes erythroblastosis foetalis. Erythroblastosis foetalis. Okay, student. And what are the symptoms appeared in erythroblastosis foetalis? Symptoms are hemolytic anemia in fetus, developed fetus. Red blood cells are continuously goes to the destruction. Okay, that causes hemolytic anemia. Okay, by the destruction of the red blood cells and bile juice is also excessive, goes to excess secretion and causes the jaundice. Bile juice secretes from the liver and causes the jaundice. Next, and the students, RBC for compensate for replacement of the decreased red blood cells, bone marrow and liver and the spleen. These are the three parts also produce excess amount of the red blood cells. These are also goes to the destruction and causes the anemia. Okay, and these are the red blood cells are produced in the form of the available in the form of the large immature erythroblast. Now about the prevention from erythroblastosis foetalis. Mother is Rh negative, fetus Rh positive. This is the Rh positive phenotypic character shows by the fetus that is receives from the father. Okay, inherit. This is the gene which shows the character Rh positive that is receives from the father. Okay, student. IgG anti-D antibodies are administered to the mother at the time of the 28th and 34th week of gestation. Okay, already you know about the gestation period, pregnancy period, that is 9 months. Okay, student, or that is equal to 38 or 40 weeks. Okay, student, at the time of the 28th or 34th weeks of gestation, mother's body is administered with the IgG type anti-D antibodies into the body. Okay, at the time of this genetical incompatibility between mother and the fetus. Okay, these are the antibodies introduced into the mother's body. These antibodies attacks the antigens and causes the destruction before the mother's immune system gets sensitized and produce the antibodies. Okay, Rh negative mother delivers, Rh positive baby delivers, Rh negative mother delivers Rh positive baby. Anti-D antibodies administered to mother soon after delivery. Soon after the delivery, these are the antibodies also administered into the mother's body. Okay, Rh negative mother delivers Rh positive baby. Anti-D antibodies administered to mothers after the delivery, soon after the delivery. Next, and develops passive immunity. Student, prevent formation of anti-D antibodies in the mother blood.